Did you know that you can create your own app to combine product images with just one command from Google AI? Here's a character photo, here's a product photo, and in 1 second, you will get an amazing result. The character is naturally using the product. Today's, I'll show you how to build this app using Google AI and Nano Banana. Simple to use, yet incredibly powerful. The first, go to Google AI Studio and choose Build. In Paste Prompt, I will put the prompt in the video description. Wait a few minutes. Upload character image and upload product. And generate image. Just a few seconds, and the photo is processed. The t-shirt has been changed quickly and very nice. Now let's try it with another photo and see. Amazing! The image was processed super fast, and the details are amazing preserved. He didn't even change the character or the folds of the clothes. Try it out today and tell me in the comment, how was your experience? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.